Hello everyone, I welcome you back on your English class. I hope you all are enjoying this method of studying, right? Because you don't need to get up early in the morning and come to school. So children, this is the best way or the most enjoyable time where you can study whenever you wish, whenever you get time. You just simply need to sit and open your laptop or a mobile. So let's proceed this method of studying until the school gets open. So today we are going to study the first unit of your Marigold book. The first unit and the first chapter of your Marigold book is Wonderful Waste. Now you all must be thinking like what a stupid name, what a stupid chapter, Wonderful Waste. How a waste can be wonderful, right? This is true. In this chapter we are going to learn like how a waste can be wonderful, right? So my first question to you is what is waste? The basic question, what is waste? You might have heard many times or you might have said many times like this is waste, that is waste, just throw it away, right? So waste is a thing which can be thrown away and which is not in use. Okay, so in this chapter we'll get to know how waste can be wonderful for a person, and we are going to study about the utilization of waste, means the waste management. Okay, so this is very interesting chapter. Trust me children, you are going to enjoy this chapter where I'm sure you learn the importance of waste and you learn how to manage the waste. Okay, so there are two main characters in this chapter, that is the Maharaj and the second is Cook. Let's begin. Once the Maharaj of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Once what happened, there was a Maharaj in a place called Travancore, which is in Kerala. He ordered a grand dinner. Okay, he ordered a grand means very huge. He ordered a very huge dinner in his palace. So a palace is a place where kings live. Now you must be thinking, where is Travancore? We have not seen it in the map of India, right? So here, look at the map towards the downside at the left side. Kerala is there, which is in red color. Fine. So Travancore is near Trivandrum, which is the capital city of Kerala. Let's proceed. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Now, the Maharaja has already ordered for the dinner. So he wanted to see the preparations for the dinner. Like he wanted to see whether the dinner is being prepared or not, whether the food was prepared according to him or not. He wanted to see whether things are going right or wrong. Fine. So here the mean word survey, it means that to see the food is being prepared or not. Dishes, you must be knowing, dishes means variety of food. And feast means a party or a celebration where good food is made. Now, as the Maharaja entered in the kitchen, he asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near him. Okay, he saw a basket full of vegetable scraps and he asked the cook, what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? The cook replied, they are waste. We will throw them away. Now what did the cook reply? He said that they are of no use. These bits and pieces of vegetables are of no use to us and we will throw them away afterwards. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. Now what did the Maharaja say? The Maharaja commanded. Commanded means ordered. The Maharaja commanded sternly. Sternly means very firmly or very strictly. He ordered very strictly and he went away by saying that you cannot waste these bits and pieces of vegetable. How dare you waste so much of vegetables? Find a way to use these bits and pieces of vegetables. Don't you dare to throw it away. Clear? The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scrap for some time. Okay, so the cook was in a confusion, he was in a dilemma and he kept thinking like what should I do with these bits and pieces of vegetable. He thought for a while and suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. Suddenly an idea came to his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them as well. Okay, he took all the bits and pieces of vegetables, he washed them and then he cleaned them very well. Then he cut them into long stripes and put them in a huge pot for cooking. Then he added some fresh coconut, green chilies, garlic and salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Okay, he added few ingredients in the pot. He cleaned the vegetables, he cut it into the long stripes, he then he added few ingredients into it, and then what happened, a very attractive, tempting means a very attractive smell started coming from the pot. He then added some whipped curd also. He added some curd also, and he poured a few spoonful of coconut oil on it also. And then at the last he decorated the dish with the curry leaves. Okay, so this was all about the method of preparing this new dish. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guest that evening. Lo and behold means, lo means to draw attention and behold means to observe something. Clear? Lo and behold means, see, what a surprise. The new dish was ready. The new tempting dish was ready and the cook served this new dish to the guest that evening. The dish was so tasty that everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and then a name came to his mind. See children, the dish was so delicious, so mouth-watering that every one of them was wondering that what kind of dish is this? They were asking the name of this dish from the cook and the cook had to come up with the name and he gave the name Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the famous dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. Now, the dish which was prepared by the cook on the orders of the Maharaja is now one of the most famous dishes all over the Kerala. This is an importance of an idea. Now, as we have read the chapter, as we have understood the chapter, this must be clear to you that we can make many creative things from the waste, right? Like if we have a water bottle which is not of use, we can make a piggy bank from the water bottle, or you can make any organizer from that plastic bottle, right, children? So what do you learn from this story? We learn 3 R's from this story. What? 3 R's. What does 3 R's means? Reuse, reduce and recycle. Reuse means we should reuse our waste and we should not throw it. Okay. Reduce means we should produce less waste and recycle means we should recycle the waste to make other useful products. So these are 3 R's: reduce, recycle and reuse. These are the 3 R's of waste management. Now in the end, let's come to the word meanings. Number 1, in a fix. In a fix means a situation from where it is hard to run away. Okay, hard to escape from. Escape means to run away. Second, flash across the mind. It means suddenly think of something idea, like the cook had got this idea, so that idea came to his mind like in flash. Third, lo and behold. It means what a surprise. Traditional feast means meal for many guests served on a special occasion. Meal means food for many people, for many guests, which was served on a special occasion only. That is known as traditional feast. This was all about this chapter, your chapter number 1, wonderful waste. I hope you find this chapter interesting and very fascinating. In the next video, we would be coming up with the question answers. Till then, read this chapter properly and take care.